I am here in Washington, D.C. There's a grocery store across the street, and last night I scurried over there and I bought this soup mug, which is serving as my coffee cup, because they only have these little cheapy paper cups that are like Dixie cups. I was like, no, that's not gonna work. So I struggled with a Keurig this morning, and there was a, I don't know, mountain green roaster or whatever coffee, and that tasted foul. So I remedied it with a little 4-Siggy quite quickly. But I slept okay last night. A little noisy in this area, just, you know, the street noises, but not too bad. But I woke up and there's a little drizzling of snow, so not too bad, but yeah, hopefully it won't be too cold. So I'm really looking forward to seeing a good friend of mine this morning. We're meeting for coffee and maybe a little breakfast, we'll see. And then we're both heading to the conference, so I'm really looking forward to it. But I've got on my hair. Oh my gosh, you guys, my hair looks terrible because this is one of the things I forgot about living somewhere cold, being somewhere cold, is the static. So I had to do this funny little side ponytail here. So that's what I'm working with today. I don't know, it looks okay, but I'm just wearing, here's my little OOTD. I've just got on a little black turtleneck. I'll probably put a coat over it. And these are those cut from the cloth jeans that I got at Nordstrom. They're really comfortable. And then on my feet, I've got, I don't know if you can see, my, of course, compression stockings. And these cute little tan suede little pumps that I got at TJ Maxx. They are Sam Edelman. They're really comfortable. So, yeah, that's what I'm wearing. And hopefully I'll be warm enough. I'll probably have my coat on over this, at least to, I was gonna walk to where I'm meeting my friend for coffee. I think I should be okay. It's about a 15-minute walk away. Hopefully it's not muddy and icky out. It's not too cold. I'm on my way to get coffee. But this morning I forgot to tell you guys, I did a workout routine from this gal. I think you guys recommended her to me, actually. Love Sweat Fitness. Because Blog Pilates hasn't, ever since the 30-day ab challenge is over, she hasn't put up a workout video in a while. And I was doing some of the ab videos over and over again, so I found this girl and I'm really liking her videos. I'll list the channel down below. She does vlogging and like what I eat in a day kind of videos too, but her workouts are really pretty good. So thanks for the rec. I don't know, so it's my good friend and that you guys have met before, Tori, another friend of mine as well. So I don't know if everybody will be on board with vlogging. Look, they even put up little banners on the lamppost to announce the meeting. It's cool. This is, I think this is a convention center actually. But I'm just gonna turn left up here to the restaurant is. Yeah, I miss being able to walk places. That's one thing about Houston, you can't really walk anywhere.
At the side of a busy road, how I'm crawling for a worthy goal. At least I'm not alone in my empathy. There's more like me who don't know how to be, how to reach out to the open.
Okay, so contraceptive agents, when we're talking about acne, we're talking about combinations of ethinyl estradiol and progestin.
sky is turning red, and I don't know if it's forbidden or beautiful. Yeah, blue sky is turning red, and I don't know, should I be scared or grateful? How can I
Well, guys,
say
it's lunchtime, and look who is here. Hey!
Look, it's Dr. Dray. We're both
vlogging.
I know. We're both in DC for the what is it?
For the AAD.
The AAD, American Academy
American Academy of Dermatology. My mom always calls it the AAD. Yeah, she's like, oh, you're going to the AAD?
It's the AAD.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna have
No,
lunch.
she always calls it the ADD.
ADD,
That's
yes.
right. See, I screw up.
I know. I'm like, wait a minute. They told me that it was
You're
the
like,
AAD.
yes, it
I
is
think
the
I did it
AAD.
right. Okay.
Yeah, my mom always says, oh, you're going to the ADD.
So the ad, it's like me with my daughter's
Mom.
sorority. She's in SDT, and I always call it STD. Wink, wink. I'm a funny mom. She doesn't find me amusing at all. Nope. So anyway, we're gonna have lunch, and what are we eating here?
We're at Fruitive.
Fruitive. Yes.
It's
a great little place.
The plant-based juice smoothie place. They have kale and nutritional yeast sprinkles on the table.
Yeah, I'm gonna try some. It looks really good.
What did you get?
I got this.
What did you got?
It's a curried cauliflower wrap, so it's got raisins and carrots and spinach and onions.
That looks good.
It's good. Can't tell what I'm shooting at now.
And I got the Tuscan kale wrap. It's
Ooh, that looks good too.
kale and broccoli and hummus and butternut squash and quinoa.
Right.
So,
It's like a little Caesar in there.
yeah.
Cool. I don't think I was looking at mine when I was looking at it, so. Anyway.
Affected down gram-positive more than gram-negative in terms of that vesiculopustule. Gram-negatives would be much more like ecthymic and granosome-like lesions. And then I worried about fungal infections, specifically Candida more likely than Fusarium, but disseminated Candida will look a lot like a pustule on a purpuric base that then becomes centrally necrotic. Fusarium tends to be more necrotic and less pustular, although it was also in the differential diagnosis. And then in inflammatory differential, again, we're back on the neutrophilic diseases, thinking about what is inflammatory with neutrophils behaving badly but not infectious. And although I did not think she had Behçet's, Behçet's is one of those diseases that loves to make that individual vesiculopustule. So I put it on the list just to be complete, but I didn't think that's what she had.
Well, hey guys, the conference is done for the day, and I just got back to my room and put my feet up for a little bit, walking around all day in those heels. While they were really comfortable, it just, I don't know, it kind of got to me. So I started editing the blog a little bit, but I had a really great first day of the conference. I got to see two of my friends this morning from, the past, from internship and residency. And I got to meet up with some friends that I haven't seen in a long time, and I was hopefully able to insert some clips here and there. So yeah, it was good to see them, some mentors. I went to some great talks today, one on hormonal acne and therapies for hormonal acne. Not much has really changed. It was more of a review of what we kind of already know, but it's good to hear like the perspective of someone else, kind of their approach, but same medication, so my hormonal acne video. But yeah, that was good. And then I also went to a talk on complex cases in the hospital, which was really interesting, different skin infections. And I have to tell you guys, I mentioned in a video recently that syphilis was on the differential for pityriasis rosea in my pityriasis rosea video, and a lot of you commented like, whoa, syphilis. But I gotta tell you, syphilis is definitely making a comeback, and it's really interesting. some of how it's presenting is a little bit different than how it presented as far as the skin manifestations in the past. And it's also really interesting because the person giving the talk is an expert in complex medical dermatology cases from San Francisco. And they have an entirely different patient population in San Francisco, just, you know, different, just a different group of people, patients there than in Houston. Houston's very, very, very ethnically diverse, but so is San Francisco. And it's just interesting the kinds of things that they see there that we, you know, I don't really see, but, you know, and that's people who specialize in super specialize, the stuff that they see. It's really cool. So I always enjoy this meeting. It's really good. And yeah, it was great. And I got to meet Hot and Flashy. So that was really unexpected. I had no idea she was going to be here. I love Angie. She's so positive and such a fantastic YouTuber. And I mean, she is just as warm and kind and radiant and amazing in person as she is on her channel. I am so lucky I got to meet her, and I hope to see her again during this meeting. She is here, I guess, working with Neutrogena, which is fantastic for her. So that's so cool, you know? There's like how the two worlds just kind of come together. I really love that. But anyways, I actually am going to take a shower and get dressed. I might end up wearing my little green dress tonight. I have a little social thing to go to that I'm kind of looking forward to. So I will actually try and vlog that. But if I'm able to vlog it, I'm not sure I will be able to. But if I'm able to vlog it, you know, it's always kind of hard to gauge those things, social things, how other people are going to react to, hey guys, want to be on the internet? So if I'm able to, I will definitely vlog it and insert it in tomorrow's video. But I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up here for today. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me. And as always, vlogging was a blast. So if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and as always, don't forget, sunscreen and subscribe. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.